Hi, hello, namaste, adab, namaskara, ellarku vanakkam, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to find the factorial of an integer in Java or using Java. Let's go to Paint and understand the logic first. Okay, I already solved in Python. If you want to watch in Python or using Python language, you can go to my channel and see. I will undo all these things and I will explain from scratch. Then only you come to know. Okay. If you are new viewer of our channel, please excuse us or excuse me first. If there are any mistakes from my side, including communication, that means our my speaking levels or with my logics, those are nothing but if I am doing any wrong or slow logic or is there any other logic apart from my logic to execute better, please free to share in the comment section. Then our subscribers, me, and as well as you can improve ourselves, right? Okay. Without wasting your time, coming to the video. What is the general? What is the factorial? That is nothing but if a number is given, think in this way. If a number is there, it should be multiplied with n into n minus 1. Sorry, yeah, n minus 1 and followed by n minus 2, yeah, and multiplied with followed by n minus 3 and so on up to what? Let's see up to where. If the input is 5 or imagine the n as 5, then we should know 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 up to where? 1. Okay, until you get 1. We need to multiply with that number also. Okay. Here, what is the output? 5 into 4, that nothing but 20. 20 into 6, 60. 60 into 2, 120. 120 into 1, 120. Yeah. If the integer is 3, then 3 into 2 into 1. That is nothing but 6, right? Yeah. If I give 2, that is nothing but 2 into 1. In Java, we explained in another way. Now only I got this logic. No need problem. Both will give the correct answer only. Okay. I am hope you understand this. What is meant by factorial of a number? Okay. Now I am selecting this. Yeah. Wait. No need. I will highlight this one with green. In our videos, we will highlight the logic first. Okay. With green color. You keep in mind. Okay. Because some people don't know our previous video about our previous videos, right? So I am mentioning these points. Okay. Okay. Hope you understand the logic here. Let's get into VS Code and try to execute. While you are creating a Java file, each and every Java file will definitely as yes a class, public class, public class. You need to and please ensure whatever the class name you are giving that should be saved with that name only. The Java file should be saved with this class name only. If you give this one with another name, Yeah, it is showing red mark indicating some mistakes are there in your code. Okay, that's why I am giving. Here you can see main.java. The class name is also same. Both are same. That's why it is not showing any red mark indicating no errors are there. Okay, coming to the video, and earlier I show before this minute or this second. It is better to say second. Okay, I told there should be at least one class, and this main method is compulsory. One class and one main method is compulsory. Public static void main indicating main method. Inside you need to mention string of args. Yeah, the void indicates the method has no return type. Okay, no return type. Okay, we are directly printing the output or a statement. Okay, without wasting the time, let us print one statement here. Yeah, in that statement, I am going to give enter the sorry. We need to be perfect whatever we do. Okay, enter an integer, enter an integer to find factorial. Okay, factorial. Yeah, yeah. Before that, we need some variable, right, to store that. Okay, int. I am declaring it as IP. That is nothing but next int. Yeah, before going to use, you need to create one scanner. Okay, scanner class to read. Scanner is used for read integers or something. Any if you want to take the input from the user or yourself, you need to import this scanner and use that. Okay, new is created. That means new is used for creating objects in Java. Okay, system dot in. Yeah. These are the syntax given by the founder or the creator of what I can say Java. You may ask why you're writing this way only. These syntax are already created by the Java creator. Okay, who is the Java creator? Do you know? Hope you know. If not, I will tell. I'm going to tell. Okay, James Gosling invented Java. Okay, I need to import right from Java package inside the Java util. Inside that, I'm going to import all the things. This star mark indicates all the things. Okay, this is the correct way to take the input. Okay, I am declaring another one int I is equals to 1. Why I will tell I am going to explain in this video. Okay, in fact, that is also 1. I will explain. Okay, then I am going to check in a while loop whether my I is less than or equal to IP. Yeah, in that IP, I am incrementing fact is equals to, yeah, hope you know this, the difference between star equals to or equals to fact star. Both are same, okay. For easy understanding purpose, it is better to use this. Okay, star equals to what? I. Okay, then I should be incremented. In every loop, sorry, in every while loop, you need one condition and update. Okay, this is the condition. I is less than or equal to IP, and this is the update. Okay, this is my code. This is also code, these two lines, but the main thing the condition is based upon I value. Okay. After that, I am going to print system.out.println. Here I will mention that the factorial of what? Factorial of, I will mention it as integer, that is IP. Yeah, yeah. mm, is that is nothing but fact. I will explain all the things. You no need to worry. First, I will check my output is my desired one or not. If I give here, we mention right for 5, it is 123, 6, 2, as usual, 2. Okay, I will check all these things. Okay, if I am enter 3, then the factorial of integer 3 is 6. You may confuse because these outputs are previous videos or previous problems. Okay, so I will clear this and rerun. Okay, yeah. If I enter 3, the factorial of integer 3 is 6. If I enter 5, the factorial of integer 5 is 120. If I enter 0, the output should be 1. Okay. The factorial of integer, I type. Okay. No problem. No need to check again. But I will check for my satisfaction. Yeah. If I give 3, yeah, 6. Now let's see what's happening inside my logic or my, what I can say, my copy. I will copy this. My code. Inside my code, what's happening? Let's see. Okay. I will add text. Yeah. I will highlight with this black color indicating in our videos that this is our code. Okay. Indicating this is our code. Inside this and remaining all, I am going to tell the logic here. In the first iteration, in the first iteration, what is the value of I? I is 1, right? Yeah. After that, after that, yeah. Fact is what? Fact, fact contains 1. It is also contains 1. Yeah. Inside the loop, or there is a condition, right? Yeah. 1 is less than or equal to y1. Here I mentioned I. What is the I value? 1. And what is IP value? IP value, let's take 3. Okay. Yeah, 3 is better for easy understand. In our videos, we make star if the condition is true. Okay. Yeah, in our channel only. Okay. Not universal. Yeah. If I give, yeah, it is true means what? Definitely the execution process will go to inside the while loop, right? Okay. Yeah. What is fact? Fact is equals to star equals to indicating, I already told you, fact into I. Yes. What is the current value of fact? That is nothing but 1. The I value also 1. You can check. Okay. And the output is 1. And the I will be incremented, right? To what? 1. Initially, I is 1. And it will increment by 1. That is nothing but 2. Okay. In the second iteration, in the second iteration, what is the I value? You can see here 2. Keep make an eye contact with this. What we got in previous loop. Okay. This is called debugging. Okay. Each and every line we are going to see what is the We are seeing what's inside going on, what is the current value of I fact, like that, and so on, like that, right? That is called debugging in programming. Okay, I equals to 2. And coming to the point, what is the fact value? Fact value is, if you carefully observe, it is 1. Then it will enter the execution process will starts to check whether what is the current value of I 2 is less than or equal to input is constant. Input is constant. No need to change about input. Okay. It is correct, right? 2 is less than or equal to 3. Obviously correct. Yeah. Then fact will be changed. What is the current value of fact? That is nothing but 1. It will multiply with current I value. That is nothing but 2 will give us 3 as output. Okay. Up to this time only. Okay. Up to now. Fact is equals to fact value is 3. Okay. What is the I value? Currently it is having 2 and will be incremented by 1. Don't you think it will be 3? Yeah. And the third, third iteration. Let's see what's happening in the third iteration. Okay. That is I equals to 3. And fact, what is the fact value? Fact value is also 3. Okay. Sorry. I am a fool here. Okay. I made a mistake. I will rectify my mistake. Okay. What is 1 into 2? I mentioned here as 3, but it is 6, right? Okay. Hope you excuse me. Okay. Or, yeah, excuse me only. I don't know how to start this again. If I make it, let's try. I don't know why. What is this? Remove background now. Okay. Yeah, it has gone. No problem. Yeah, I will again text. Only 2 lines, right? In third iteration, in third iteration, yeah. What is the current value of I? That is nothing but 6. And the fact value, we again, why today I am so, wait, I will erase this. Is okay. Wait, I will, what is 1 into 2? That is 2, right? Yeah, I will erase this and try to write new one. What is 1 into 2? That is 2 only. Why my mind is so, you know what I can say? I am totally confused and I am in a hurry to, yeah, I will text again. I am in a hurry to close this video as soon as possible without wasting your time, okay? In the third iteration, in the third iteration, what is the current value of I? That is nothing but 3 and fact is 2, right? Yeah, we are checking whether the 2 is less than or equal to 3. Obviously correct. Sorry. Here 3, right? Sorry. What is the current value of 3? Sorry, I. That is nothing but 3. 3 is less than or equal to 3. You may think 3 is less than 3. No. So it is wrong. No. There is another operator called equals to. We have to check both the conditions. Less than or equal to. Okay. In my pronunciation itself, you can understand less than or equal to. If any one of these conditions satisfies, then the while loop is correct and it will execute the code inside the while loop. Okay. Yeah. What is the fact? What is the fact value currently? 2. And that will be multiplied with what? What is the ith value? 3, right? And that is 6. Don't think we got the answer and execution stops here. No. It will execute or it will do it work in a proper way. Okay. What is the current value of I? That is nothing but 3 and it will be incremented with 1, which gives 4. And in fourth iteration, that is nothing but having I equals to 4, right? Then what about the fact which is 6? Yeah, it will check whether 4 is less than or equal to 3. Is 4 less than 3? No. And or 4 is equals to 3? Obviously wrong. So the while loop will stop itself here itself, and we got the final output as fact. That is nothing but okay. Fact is 6. Okay. And we got the answer for 3. It is 6. Okay. Let's compare this and why I wrote. Hope you already get my point, what I want to say. Okay. Yeah. Here I took initially I value as 1 and fact value as 1. Okay. While I is less than or equal to IP, I mentioned all these things. We already explained this with using paint. Okay. Yeah. Hope you understand the logic and tell me or excuse me if there are any mistakes with me. Okay. Please free to ask in comment section or share your ideas to improve yourself, ourselves and all. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you understand. Take care and bye bye.